Have you ever wondered why certain wines complement desserts so well? Let's uncover the science behind this perfect match. When pairing wine with dessert, a fundamental rule is that the wine should be at least as sweet as the dessert. This ensures the wine doesn't taste bitter or dull compared to the sweetness of the dessert. For example, a lemon bar paired with an oaked Chardonnay creates a complementary parallel. The wine's citrus and tree fruit notes enhance the dessert's tangy flavor while its buttery oak complements the rich crust. One theory is that the sugar in desserts and sweetness of dessert wines work well together, making it a complementary pairing. This balance enhances both flavors without overpowering each other. Acidity also plays a crucial role. It affects our perceptions of sweetness and sourness, balancing the dessert's sugar. For example, Pinot Gris is richer and pairs well with more intense desserts compared to lighter Pinot Grigio. The dryness of a wine can also balance the sweetness in desserts, making for a perfect finish. This is why dessert wines are often recommended to enhance the overall dining experience. In summary, understanding how wine's sweetness and acidity balance with desserts can transform your meal. It's a science that makes every bite more delightful. So there you have it, the secrets behind dessert wine pairings. What pairing surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.